What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby, and in today's video I'm going to be creating a fun look using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. So if you'd like to see what this ends up looking like, then keep on watching. Okay, now that I got you all zoomed in, I think we should start with the eyes first and then go through with the foundation and everything, because I know that there's a lot of glitters in her palette, and just in case there's any fallout, I would hate to ruin the foundation that I put down first. So let's start with the palette itself, and then I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with it by now because this has come out quite a while ago now, so just to refresh your memory, these are the shades. And as you can see, I have played around with some of these in the past. I really love these glitters at the top, so I'm definitely going to be using those today. But I think for this video, since it's kind of fall time, I might go for more fall vibes and use these two rows mostly. So I think I'm going to go in first with this shade up here. It is the shade Story up here. Before I go into that color, I'm going to wet the brush a little bit. And I always like to wet my brushes using the La Roche-Posay Mineral Spring Water Spray. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first and get that pretty wet there. And then I'll go into that Story color, that metallic finish, and I'm going to go all over the lid with this. I'm going to do kind of a transition from this more like burnt orange color into the color Poet, which is more of that maroon color towards the end out here. So I'm going to start with that orangey color towards the middle. And then dipping in now to this shade. Okay, and then I think before I move on, I am going to be putting some of the pressed glitters on my eyelid. But before that, I do like to put on my lashes. I'd hate to put eyelash glue over glitter just for this situation. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes and eyeliner off camera, and then I'll come back and finish these eye look, and then we can jump into some foundation. Okay, so I have the lashes on, and as you can see, I also put on some of these eye shields as well, just to catch any extra glitter fallout that happens, and then I'll go ahead and do the foundation after. But let's go ahead and add some glitter, because I know that's what we're all looking forward to. I know I am. So I'm just going to follow the same kind of pattern I already did, going from the orange shade to the maroon. So I'm going to be going from Story over to Poet, but in the glitter finish instead of the matte finish. So first let's jump into Story. Pretty. And then I'm going to jump into Poet towards the outside of my eye, as you can see. And then just kind of brighten everything up. I'm going to go right in the center of my eye using Aura in the glitter shade right up here. Super sparkly. This would be really fun for a New Year's Eve look. I know this is coming out New Year's Day, so it's a little bit late, even for any after the New Year holiday parties that might happen. I'm not sure if that's going to happen this year because of the pandemic and everything, but hopefully next year we can get some more parties and get together with friends, and we can do some fun looks like this. So overall, I really like it. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands, and then I'll come back and we can start working on the face and then do some finishing touches. Okay, so I got that all taken care of. I really like how this is looking so far. I think it's really pretty. This would be pretty for Christmas time or just fall time, or like I said earlier, for New Year's Eve. Anything where a little sparkle is warranted. So I'm going to go ahead and jump now through my foundation and face routine really quick. I'm going to speed through it for you, but I'll link everything that I use down below if you are interested in anything that I'm using today. So let's get started. so I have everything on my face so far, but I think I'm going to use this same pressed foil pigment on my inner corner. And to do that, I'm going to use a really tiny brush, and then I'm going to wet this brush as well, and then go ahead and dip into that loose pigment and see if we can get that like really blinding color on the inner corner as well. And I am going to use my mirror for this just because it's a little bit hard to see from this far away. Yeah, it's pretty subtle, but I really like how it's looking. So I'm going to do the other eye now. Okay, so we have that done. I'm going to go ahead and set my face now using that La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water Spray, and then I'll go ahead and dry that. So I'm going to zoom out and let you get a better look at it far away as well, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on everything today. So here's a final look close up. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom out for you. Okay, so I'm all zoomed out, and now you can get a better look on how it looks from a distance. Super fun. That highlight that I used today is super bright and blinding, so that's also a nice little touch, especially if you're going for a more glittery look. So overall, I think this is a super fun look. I think you could use it for a holiday time or just for fun if you're a glittery kind of gal like I am. Let me know down below what your favorite part of this look today was. I think mine is probably the highlight. You know what? I totally forgot to do a lip, so let me just throw that on really quick. I don't know what I'm thinking today. I'm losing my mind. So for lip today, I'll just throw on this number 7 matte liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Freedom. Okay, there you go. I felt like something was missing. Okay, now let me know down below in the comment section what your favorite part of the makeup look was, since clearly I'm not all there today. So yeah, like I said, let me know what you'd like to see moving forward. I'd love to film more makeup looks for you, or if you have any other ideas, let me know. I'd be happy to film those as well. So other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.